Hi, this tutorial will show you how to use your OneDrive account and Word Online. These tools are accessible to you through your FSCJ student email account. So whenever you log into your Connections account and access your email, you'll see an icon here at the top left that looks like several boxes forming a cube. When you click on that icon, you'll see the tools that are available. I'm just going to focus on OneDrive and Word Online. If you click Word Online, it will immediately open a new document. And you don't necessarily want to open a new document every time. You might prefer to go to OneDrive and choose from a document that you've already begun creating. So I typically recommend that you go to OneDrive first. Now, the first time OneDrive loads, you'll probably see a window that asks you some questions. You can skip that for now and go directly into your OneDrive. Now, rather than open one of the documents that I already have, I want to create a new one. So I'm going to click on New, and I'm going to go to Word Document. And this is going to open a version of Word that will probably look very similar to what you have on your desktop. Now, in our class, we use MLA format. So in order to make sure that your document is MLA format, there are things that you have to do to the spacing and the margins. One of the first things that I suggest is that you click where the document name is and change the name to something unique that you'll remember. I'm going to change mine to Narrative Essay. Then I want to format the document. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to check that the margins are 1 inch. To do that, I go to Page Layout and Margins, and the default for Word Online is 1 inch all the way around. That's what we want. Then I'm going to go back to Home. Before I want to start typing, I want to make sure that my lines are double spaced. When I click on this icon with the 2 arrows pointing up and down, it gives me options for line spacing. I don't want to choose one of these. I want to open a window that lets me check all of the formatting. So I'm going to click on Line Spacing Options. Now, all of this information on the left is fine, but here on the right, I want to make sure that the before and after both say 0. So I have to change the after to 0. And then I want to change the actual line spacing to double. And then click OK. Now all of the lines that are typed in the essay will be double spaced. The next thing that I want to do is I want to insert page numbers and a header. So to do that, I'm going to click on the Insert tab, and I'm going to go to Page Number. In an MLA format, we want the page number on the right side of the page. Now, the page number will automatically be added in. I don't have to type anything else to make sure the page number shows up. But I do have to type my last name to make sure that my last name will appear with the page number on each page. And then when I click back on the document, the window closes. Even though I can't see the header right now, when the document is submitted, or if you print it out, you'll be able to see your header. Now we have to type the heading, which is different from the header in MLA format. The heading will include your name first. Then you'll have the professor for whom you're writing your essay. You'll have the name of the course and the date that the paper is due.